Most of the
Don't make a noise. That's why I don't like to make video here.
Yes, sir.
You can write here most of the boys, you can say most of the Indian farmers, most of the girls. Okay. First of all you have to use most of the के बाद आप क्या यूज करेंगे, कोई भी नाउन, जो भी नाउन यूज करेंगे वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में होना चाहिए. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल, मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉयज, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन फार्मर्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द टीचर्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स. आफ्टर दिस, इसके बाद आपको एक न्यू सेंटेंस क्रिएट करना है. क्या? इसके बाद जो भी सेंटेंस बोलना चाहते हैं,
Yes, sir.
ठीक,
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद एक नया सेंटेंस आपको क्रिएट करना है. आपको यहाँ आकर के बोलना है और एक नया सेंटेंस क्रिएट करना है. जैसे अगर कहा जाए मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स रीड इंग्लिश, ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं. या फिर कहा जाए मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स सुबह जल्दी जग जाते हैं. या फिर दूसरा सेंटेंस कहा जाए मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन फार्मर्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन फार्मर्स लिव इन विलेज, ज्यादातर भारतीय किसान गांव में ही रहते हैं. ठीक. कहा जाए मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स यूज टू ग्रेज ग्रास, ज्यादातर जानवर घास चरते हैं. इस तरीके से आपको कोई न कोई सेंटेंस अपने मन में क्रिएट करके बोलना है, बोल करके प्रैक्टिस करना है. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक एक को यहाँ पर आना है और इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. बोल बोल करके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तभी आपको स्पीकिंग आएगा. ओके, वुड लाइक टू कम फर्स्ट? मिस्टर शिवम, प्लीज कम.
Yes, sir. Most of the people used to drink wine, and most of the people.
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
Most of the people used to drink wine, and
Yeah.
most of the boys used to smoke, and most of the children used to drink milk.
Most of the children.
Most of the children used to drink milk daily in the night.
At night. At night.
Oh, sir.
Don't worry. Don't worry. It doesn't matter.
Most of the children used to drink milk at night, and most of the students read English. Most of the subjects are difficult, and most
Hello.
of the
1 minute. Be quiet. Why are you speaking? Don't discuss. Okay, carry on.
most of the girls quarreling, and most of the teachers beat, and most of the animals graze grass, and most of the
animals graze grass, and most of the people read English. Most of the students read math, and most of the people cooperate phone, and most of the
No, most of the people operate.
operate the phone, and
Or you can say most of the people use.
yes sir, most of the people read newspaper, and most of the children drink milk, and most of the boys take smoke.
Most of the people smoke.
Yes sir, most of the people drink wine.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mr. Vijay, please come here.
Good evening, guys. First of all, my name is Vijay Kumar. Most of the peoples are good, and most of the students bad. Most of the people used to drink wine, and most of the students are good, and most of the girls quarrel. And
First of all, my name is Ganesh Kumar. I'm 13 years old. I belong to Vista.
Yeah.
Most of the people used to drink wine, and most of the people used to drink wine, and most of the animals used to eat dead body, and most of the people used to live in village, and most of the teachers are very good, and most of the subjects are very easy, and most of the all mobiles is so normal price, and most of the people like to eat chow mein, and most people like to
Fast food.
fast food, and most people like to get up in the morning, and most people like to read in the morning.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. 1 minute, be quiet.
First of all, my name is Akash Munisad. I am 13 years old. I belong to Kashyapati.
हम स्टूडेंट आप ये भी
I am
बताओ.
a student of class 9.
Most of the
Most of the people drink wine. Most of the Indian army fights border. Most of the girls beautiful.
most of the girls are beautiful.
Most of the boys read. Most of the teachers teach. Most of the student read. Most of the
Speak long sentence.
mo-
You can say most of the teacher teach English.
most
Yeah.
of the teacher teach English, and most of the people
Most of the people.
Most of the- most
Don't
of the
pronounce
people?
people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
most of the people smoking.
Most of the people smoke.
Most of the people smoke. Most of the people going to market.
Most of the people go to market.
Most of the people go to market.
First of all, my name is Yatharth. I am 13 years old. I belong to Kashyapati and I am standard class 8.
Yeah.
Most people are
Most people.
the
Most of the people.
the most people.
No, most of the people. पहले इस तरीके का कहने का प्रैक्टिस डाले. Most of the people.
Most of the people take bath. Most of the people drink wine. Most of the people use Instagram. Most of the people take smoke, and most of the people eat fast food. Most of the people abusing any other.
Most of the people abuse others.
Most of the people any others.
Don't pronounce people. Listen to me. People. Most of the people.
Most of the people ride bike. Most of the people ride cycle. Most of the people break chair.
Okay.
First of all, I am Siddharth. I am 15 years old. I belong to Kashyapati. Most of the people worship to God. Most of the people go to coaching in the morning. Most of the
students. Most of the students.
Most of the student go to coaching in the evening, in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You can say most of the students are depend on coaching center.
Yes. Most of the people go to market. Most of the people are so mean. Most of the people go to Baraha. Most of the people ride bike. Most of the people drive a car. Most of the people go to Jigna. It's no sir.
Yeah.
I'm starting. Most of the people
Most of the
people used to drink wine. Most of the people used to go baraha. Most of the people used to ride a bike, and most of the students read English. Most of the girls used to quarrel, and most of the Indian farmers live in villages.
Most of the girls use makeup materials on their face. Don't laugh.
And most of the girls used to
Use makeup materials on their face.
most of the girls use makeup material on her faces, and most of the old women used to rest many times, and most of the Indian armies
Are on duty.
are on duty
On border.
on border, and most of the students used to make an wise, and most
The
of
class.
in the class.
Try to speak large sentence.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
And most of the boys used to go market to buy some vegetables, and most of the girls used to go beauty parlor to make herself beautiful, and most of the Indian women used to
Instagram.
No.
Rest.
Most of the Indian women used to rest a lot of time.